Hello guys, today we are going to discuss how to prepare for algebra in CAT examination. While preparing for CAT, you can think of that algebra is not that much difficult that geometry section may be. So you can get those quant marks easily with algebra if you prepare in a proper sequence. When I say proper sequence, I mean that you can start with linear equation because linear equation थोड़े आसान होते हैं as compared to quadratic equations. And after preparing for linear equations, you can go for quadratic equation. And after that, inequalities, then functions, after that, progressions, and at the last, algebraic expressions and polynomials. In polynomials, binomial section is very much important because binomial questions were asked many a times in your previous year questions. The last thing that you should practice as much as questions as possible for algebra, because this will only help you to think much faster in your examination while solving any questions related with this section. So I think this strategy will help you to solve all the questions of algebra in your examination.